Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about two things. First is USDT. Now you can use that as collateral. Second is about the new LP pair, Arcana Para and the Karura HKO in PairNet Finance. And so let's first talk about this new pair. So Arcana and Para, you can now use that and participate in the farming, and they have a actual farming incentive program that you will get actual para or HKO rewards. For the USDT, now you can use that as collateral, and you can borrow up to 65% of the value against the USDT collateral. So now I'm going to demo how you can participate. First of all, go to the PairNet Finance overview. You can see that. Go to the money market and the USDT. If you click the button use as collateral, you can use your USDT, and then you will have a higher borrow rate. I would like to claim my rewards so that I can participate in the LP. And so now I claim my Para token, and for the Arcana, you can do the cross chain and go to the Arcana, transfer your Arcana token. I'm going to transfer. I will keep a little bit of Arcana, so just in case I need to pay for the transaction fee. Now I go to the swap and the liquidity. Here I can add the liquidity, the LP pair. So I will select the Para and also the Arcana. So now I will manually put some Para. So I will just put 130, keep some for the fees. And so now I can add this liquidity. And so now after you add the liquidity, it's not done yet. You need to add it to the farm. So click the farm and deposit your LP to the farm. So now I'm going to deposit all the LP to the farm, confirm, and now you are done. You can earn the rewards. This is more than 70%. So for the Karura, it's the same thing. Go to the Kusama and go to the farm and deposit the LP of Karura and the HKO. So you will earn quite a good APY actually. And so overall, just talk about the USDT. You can use that as collateral now, and also the new LP pair. They have the farming incentive program for this LP, so you can earn actual rewards actually. And so the LP of Karura and HKO, it's more than 200% APY right now. So I think it's quite good if you have some actual token, right? If you have the Karura and the HKO. I have some Arcana, and I will have some more Para token, and probably will get the LP for the Arcana and Para and earn these rewards. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.